Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this little series is going to be a little series of sort of cool, funky makeup looks using the PLOUISE Stack 'em Up collection. We're actually using the purple palette, which is the CEOOO palette, and we have created this look here. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning, guys. These shadows are insane. This look is like bold and out there, and it's obviously not every day. Ignore the lip, but I thought I would do something sort of purple just to sort of tie it in, as nude was looking a bit boring and it honestly looks a bit horrendous, to be fair. I'll leave all the links and stuff in the description box for you guys. Yeah, let's just get into this tutorial. Just starting off with our PLOUISE base, as always. Concealer does just as well as a good job, to be fair, but I'm just absolutely obsessed with this base at the moment. Today we're going in with the CEOOO palette from the Stack 'em Up collection, and the first shade that we're going in with is this purple shade called CEOOO, and it's got like loads of O's on the end of it, so that's why I'm saying it like that. For this look, we're just going to go super dramatic, and we're just going to blend this right out, and we're going to do like a really smoky wing. If you guys have watched any of my other sort of tutorials, then you will know that at first I do kind of just place the colours down. I'm not particularly neat at the beginning, but I do go back and I tidy it all up. It's just kind of like my method. So at first this does look a bit crazy. I do go ahead and tidy it all up towards the end, and I do a lot more blending than what I show you guys on these videos. I do just try and keep it quite simple and basic so that it's easier to follow. So now we're just going to go into this shade here, which is called Empire, and it's like a bluish kind of purple, and I'm just going to add this in this sort of middle. So at first, as you guys can see, I'm just laying this colour down a little bit. I'm doing the same on both sides. I decided to do both eyes on this video, by the way, just because I wanted them to be as kind of even as possible. And I was finding when I was doing one eye, I couldn't get the other eye the same. So if I do them both at the same time, I can get them like pretty similar. This is the shade Driven, and it's more of a sort of pinkish purple. Really nice though, so pigmented. And I was going to kind of do like a tie-dye kind of effect here, but as I was going along,
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Now I'm just going into the lower lash line and I'm just blending in the shades CEOOO and Ambition just to darken it up a little bit, just to pull the look together. Also just going in with this Revolution Pro pomade in the shade White. I don't even know if it's supposed to be used for like your eyeline, but I'm using that in the waterline. And I done this crazy purple lip just to kind of tie the look together, but I wish I never because I don't actually like it. But anyway, so just ignore that. But that is this video. I hope you guys like it. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I shall see you guys in my next video.